awesome. Oh my. Not there. Alright, awesome. Oh my. Gotta meet that. Cool. Not this game. There we go. Why is it doing this again? There we go. There we go. Perfect. Let me test this again. Perfect. There we go. Now I get a YouTube message. Now I get a desktop message. Perfect. Move this all the way over there. Tornado HQ.
Greetings from tornadohq.com.
We'll turn this down just a little bit more. There we go. Alright, now let's get the TikTok stream up. Yeah. It's fine. So close to full 5 week limit. Let's do it. Alright, yeah, let's do it. Why not? There we go, my beautiful face. Come on, blink one. Are you tracking the cursor? Spray capture cursor. There we go. Perfect. Oh, then I gotta click go live. 6-7. Today's 6-7 day. Rah rah. Alright. That's that. Oh, I guess we're live. Okay. Welcome everybody. Move this over here. What is it? Whatever, it's fine. Alright, let's jump into things. What's up?
I didn't know if you knew you were live.
That's okay. Oh, that reminds me, I gotta change my laundry. I'm not live. Is my sound working? Yeah, it is. We're good. Where is it? It's working. Okay, yeah. Just give me a quick second. I gotta change the thumbnail. I think I forgot to change. Let me see. Actually, you know what? Let me switch the scene. There you go. You can look at radar. Well, now you can. I gotta change the thumbnail real quick, and then we're gonna go live on TikTok. Let's see if I know how to do that. Content. Live. Yeah, I have the thumbnail from yesterday. Oops. Video, pictures. There we go. Now we have the right thumbnail on YouTube. Now we're good. Then I just have to set up a TikTok live stream. And then we're good. And then we'll jump into things. Go live. Go live. Awesome. We're good now. Sweet. We're live on TikTok and live on YouTube. And I have a browser extension that notifies me whenever somebody posts a message on YouTube. So we are good. Let me change this on YouTube. There we go. And then I got the chat. Alright, sweet. Oh, I gotta pop out the TikTok chat. Now we're good. Now we're good. We're cooking. We're cooking. Awesome. Awesome blossom. Alright. Where are we? We're already starting to see a few severe thunderstorm warnings popping up here in the Western Plains here. I got a PDS severe thunderstorm watch. That is a particularly dangerous situation and level, actually no, that's not a level. That's probably about as severe as these watches can get. PDS means a particularly dangerous situation, severe thunderstorm watch. And this goes until 10 p.m. Mountain Time, so midnight my time. Berwyn, Illinois. Alright, yep, I can do that. You're the first one, so I don't have to worry about anybody else requesting anything. Berwyn, Illinois. Probably dealing with some rain showers tonight. Maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but nothing severe that we need to worry about. Maybe a small chance of some flooding as well. Yep, no problem, Kevin. That's what you get for being number one. First one on. I get to take you right away. Make sure everything's... Yeah, we're good. We're good. Cool. Saline, Michigan. Yep, I got you. Saline, Michigan, we're fine. No severe weather threat for us to worry about today. Perry, Iowa. Perry, Iowa, we are good as well. Maybe just a few showers and thunderstorms, but nothing severe that we need to worry about. Can't wait when you play Mario again. Yeah, I could use a break from the streams, from the water streams too. We'll see what happens tonight. It's probably going to be a long stream tonight though, because this is probably going to be another evening overnight threat, but we'll see what happens. There we go. Just had to unplug something quick. What else is going on? Surprised there's only 4 people watching, or 5. Usually there's more, but whatever. Whatever happens. Are we... We're good. TikTok, we should be good. You know what? Let me stop the stream on TikTok real quick, unless if more people join. If not, then I might have to change just restart a new stream with maybe a different name. That could be it. I have a feeling that could be it. Yeah. Oh, hey Matt, good to see you. Good to see you. It's working for you? Yeah. Let me do one more thing real quick. Let me just restart the stream. I wonder if it's TikTok's algorithm's not really pushing it out that much. Let me stop and actually no. Yeah, let me stop and then restart the stream again real quick. With changing maybe a few titles or descriptions, and then I'll be back in a second. Okay, we're back. I just changed a few things real quick. Maybe just trying to cheese things a little bit. Hopefully they're... Yeah, there we go. I see more people joining now. There we go. We got this. Alright. Either we're just gonna go with it. So if not many people join tonight, then whatever. It is what it is. So here's what we're dealing with. We got 1, 2, I believe we only have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. Vancouver, Canada. Yep, just give me a quick second. We have 1 tornado warning in Missouri and then 2 severe thunderstorm warnings that we just went over. Vancouver, though. Vancouver. We should be dry for most of tonight. I'm not seeing no weather alerts for you guys and no showers or thunderstorms showing up on the radar. You guys are going to be dry for the rest of tonight. We also have 1 tornado warning up here in Missouri, just to the west of Jefferson City, for about another 9 more minutes. Also capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm here north of Sedalia, Missouri. The communities that are in the path, let's see, are Newland, Nelson, and Blackwater. If you're in any of those communities, take your tornado precautions. Is it raining in Lawrence, Kansas? One more pass. Let's see. Lawrence, Kansas. Oh, that's Oklahoma. Wrong spot, wrong spot. It doesn't look like, looks like you got a weak, maybe a stronger storm over top of you, maybe yeah, some heavy rain over you right now. It should pass within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Hey, Stephen, what's up? Good to see you, good to see you. Dude, back on another weather live stream. I went live for almost 10 hours last night. We'll see how long we go tonight. It's already been a minute, so got about 9 more hours to go. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yep, no problem, Ben. Anytime. Anytime, Ben. Let's do a quick overview of these warnings here in Montana. We only have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings in Montana, and then 1 tornado warning there in Missouri. Or Orlando, Florida. Yep, Orlando, you're going to be dry for the rest of tonight. But then you'll see the rain chances return throughout this week. But yeah, you'll be dry. You're good for tonight in Orlando. You'll be dry. Enjoy the nice weather. Alright, let's take a look at these severe thunderstorm warnings here in Montana. We have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. One is, I'm not seeing, near Moreland, Moreland, Montana. Capable of producing winds up to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. And we also have a severe thunderstorm warning near Broadus, Montana. Capable of producing golf ball-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. Michigan, and then I'll do Kokomo. Michigan, no severe weather threat for you guys. You guys should be you should be dry for the most part for tonight. Kokomo, Indiana, no severe weather threat for you guys tonight. That was yesterday. Maybe just a few showers and a rumble of thunder too, but nothing severe to worry about. Any rain for Rome, New York. Let's see. I always flip the R's and the O's. Rome, New York. Let's see. Nope, you are dry today. I think you'll be dry for most of this week as well, but maybe might see a few afternoon showers or thunderstorms. Marshall, Missouri. Blue Springs near Marshall. Blue Springs, Missouri. Not too much of a severe weather threat for you guys, just some rain to worry about. Marshall, Missouri. Marshall, Missouri. Yeah, just got some heavy rain showers over here. We do have a tornado warning off to your south, but that storm should pass to your east. New Palestine, Indiana. New Palestine, Indiana. Just a few showers and thunderstorms throughout tonight. Nothing severe that we need to worry about. That was yesterday. Dawson, Iowa. Dawson, Iowa. We just a few isolated and scattered showers and thunderstorms. Nothing severe for you guys tonight. Maybe a chance for flash flooding though. Be careful. Remember, turn around, don't drown. Alright, let's see what's going on over here in Montana. We got a few storms here near Billings, not severe yet, but they could be severe sooner or later. We're expecting storms to quickly grow upscale. We have a level 4 out of 5 moderate risk of severe weather. That is a 4 out of 5. Pretty rare that we see that. This is for Baker, Bowman, Dickinson Beach, Watford City, Stanley, and Minot, North Dakota. If you're in any of those communities, you are under the gun for severe weather. We are already starting to see some storms forming off to the west, and they're expected to grow upscale throughout the day and night tonight, especially in this evening and overnight hours. Storm Prediction Center says that winds of 60 to 100 miles an hour are possible. And then even throughout the D word, derecho. Could we see a derecho? Maybe. We'll have to wait and see. Riptide risk for the Bahamas. Let's see. What is the rip current risk for the Bahamas? Looks like there's a high risk of rip currents for the Bahamas, just going off of this AI, oh, the Bahamas Department of Meteorology. Let me check that. I didn't know, I wasn't sure if they issued their a rip current forecast. Bahamas Marine Forecast. There's a slight to moderate risk of rip currents on the Bahamas, so, yep, slight to moderate risk of rip currents for you guys. Can you check the safest city in America, Atlanta, please? Ha, the safest city in America, okay. In terms of weather, I suppose so. Well, kind of. At least this year. Atlanta, just a few showers throughout tonight. Maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but nothing severe for you guys. Perry, Iowa for tonight and tomorrow. Yep. Perry, Iowa. Maybe just a few isolated scattered rain showers. Maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but nothing, no severe weather that we need to worry about in Perry, Iowa. Trenton, New Jersey, we should be dry for the rest of tonight. Yeah, we're going to be dry. We saw some, well, the storms died yesterday before they made it into Trenton, but, we could see a few no, we're going to be dry. We're going to be dry. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm zoning out. I'm thinking of two things at once. Mandan, North Dakota. Yep. San Juan. First, let me check San Juan, and then I'll do North Dakota. San Juan, not seeing any rain showing up. Looks like you guys are going to be dry for the rest of tonight. Alright, Mandan, North Dakota. Mandan, North Dakota. You guys are under an enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, and a PDS severe thunderstorm watch. That is, a particularly dangerous situation. Yes, this is a particularly dangerous situation. This is, they don't use the, Storm Prediction Center does not use that wording that often. That means that we could see some very strong storms tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch, goes until 10 p.m. Mountain Time. Brownsville, Texas. Let's see. Brownsville, Texas. Maybe an isolated shower, but I think you'll end up being dry for the most part for tonight. Panama City Beach, Florida. Yep. Panama City. Looks like you still have a high risk of rip currents. Rip current statement through this evening for a high risk of rip currents. I'm not seeing any rain showing up there on the radar. Looks like it might be dry for the rest of tonight. Let's see what the flag color is at the beach, though. Not that one. Let's go to U.S. beach websites, and then Panama City Beach, or Bay County. Yep, red flag was flying today for the high risk of rip currents. So, dangerous conditions at the beaches. Greenville, South Carolina, you got it. Greenville, South Carolina. We should be mostly dry for tonight. Maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm. But nothing severe to worry about. Still have a flash flood emergency for Huntsville that goes for about another hour until 6 p.m. Central Time. Pretty nasty flooding there.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Wyoming.
Alright, new severe thunderstorm warning for Wyoming. It's this one right here. For another 15 more minutes, storm is capable of producing up to ping-pong ball-sized hail. Not really seeing any communities in the path. Let me see if there's any... Lightning Flat and Rocky Point. If you're in Lightning Flat or Rocky Point, Wyoming, you could see, a very strong severe thunderstorm capable of producing hail up to ping-pong ball size, and winds up to 60 miles an hour. Let me just check something real quick here. Just checking something on the side here real quick. Yeah, it says alive.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Arkansas.
Alright, new severe thunderstorm warning for Arkansas. Let's go dive into that too. Severe thunderstorm warning for Arkansas. That is northeast of Little Rock. This is for Beebe, McRae, Griffithville. Severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible tag and winds up to 60 miles an hour and hail up to penny sized. Guymon, Oklahoma. Yep. Guymon, Oklahoma. You guys, I think you're gonna end up being dry for the most part. Maybe an isolated shower thunderstorm, but you should be dry for the most part there in Guymon, Oklahoma. I'll tornado watch. What time does this go till? 7 p.m. So about 2 more hours left in that tornado watch. Warwick, Rhode Island. Yep, I got you. Come on. Warwick, Rhode Island. You guys should be dry for the rest of tonight. Maybe an isolated shower thunderstorm, but I think you'll be dry. Is it in Florida? Nope, we're not worried about Florida today. Florida, you guys are good. You're actually staying dry, so enjoy the dry weather while you can, because we're going to see the rain chances return this week. Mathis, Mississippi. Mathis, Mississippi. That's Missouri. Wrong state, wrong state. Where is it? Okay. Mississippi. Where's Mathis, Mississippi? I'm not seeing it. Oh, Matheson. Mathist. Matheson. There we go. Matheson, Mississippi. No severe weather threat for you guys. Not seeing any rain showing up near you on the radar. Can't move out. Nah, we got a few isolated showers. Maybe rumble or thunder, but nothing severe that you need to worry about tonight. What about Cicero, Illinois? Let's see. Cicero, Illinois, no severe weather threat for you guys. Got a few rain showers around you though, so you might see a few rain showers. Maybe rumble or thunder or two, but nothing severe that we need to worry about too much. I do have a few flood advisories to your south though, so we, may see some minor flooding. Are there any warnings in Canada? Looks like got a few severe thunderstorm warnings in Canada. We do have one big, large, severe thunderstorm watch here for southwest or southeast Saskatchewan, southwest Manitoba, and a tornado watch within that severe thunderstorm watch. Waseca, Illinois. Yep. Waseca, Illinois. You guys have no severe weather threat for you guys tonight. Maybe just a few rain showers, maybe rumble or thunder as well. Is that an actual town name? Because I don't want to say that. Yeah, it is. D-Shooter, Idaho. You guys are going to be dry. Just dealing with some wildfire conditions off towards your west. Or not towards your west, towards the east. Canada tornado, you followed. There are no tornado warnings in Canada, but there is a tornado watch for southwest, southeast Saskatchewan, southwest Manitoba. Botany, North Dakota, yep. Botany, North Dakota, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather and a PDS severe thunderstorm watch. That is a particularly dangerous situation. That's not wording that's used on
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Montana.
But yeah, we're expecting a very strong windstorm with winds up to 60 to 100 miles an hour for you guys later tonight. Toronto, yep, Toronto. You guys are dry. I think you'll stay dry for the rest of tonight. No weather alerts. Sarnia, Ontario, yep. Sarnia, Ontario. You guys are going to be dry for tonight as well. Thanks, sir, to go. Oh, yeah, yep, no problem, anytime. Grafton, West Virginia. Grafton, West Virginia. There we go, we got some more people coming in. Grafton, West Virginia. We should be dry for the most. Yeah, I think we're going to be dry for the rest of tonight. Maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but nothing severe that we need to worry about. Edmonton, Alberta. Edmonton, Alberta. Just a few rain showers. There is a special weather statement for maybe a few funnel clouds. If it does touch the ground, then they would issue a tornado warning, but, just some rain. That's really all you gotta worry about. Let's see, Rosetown, Indiana. Rosetown, Indiana. You guys are not under a threat of severe weather. Maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm tonight, but nothing severe for you guys. Timmins, where is that? I assume that's Timmins, Ontario. If that is, no weather alerts for you guys. You should be dry for the rest of tonight. Hey, can you tell me about high pressure system, low pressure system, and different fronts? High pressure systems are usually associated with sinking air and clear skies or nice weather. Low pressure system is usually associated with rising air, with unsettled weather. And then you got warm fronts, cold fronts, and stationary fronts. Stationary fronts are just a front that doesn't move. The warm front is basically the slope of the air, of the warm air over the cold air is a little bit different. Warm fronts you usually see more stratus clouds, just a slow, steady rain, where cold fronts usually you can get your volatile weather. Nova Scotia, Dartmouth. Yep, I gotcha. Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. No weather alerts. Maybe, yeah, a few rain showers, though. Looks like you're going to be pretty wet tonight, though. Modesto, California. Yep. Modesto, California. No weather alerts for you guys. And I'm not seeing any rain showing up on the radar. Looks like you guys are going to be dry for the rest of tonight as well. Rossville, Georgia. Rossville, Georgia. You guys are under... Are you under a flood watch? No, you're not. That's up to your north. Still got a few showers that we're dealing with tonight, though. Quite a bit of rain. So remember, if there's any flooding, turn around, don't drown. Dayton, Ohio. Dayton, Ohio. Maybe just an isolated shower or thunderstorm. I got a few showers and storms off to your west, but nothing severe for you guys tonight. I thought you were already mod, Steven. If not, then I guess I gotta do that again. I don't think I can do that during the stream, though. Unfortunately, named town, Pennsylvania, that reminds me of The Simpsons. Let's see. This town in Pennsylvania, we should be dry for the rest of tonight. Oh, it's a new account. Okay. I'll do that after the stream then. New York, I got you, Elon boy. Eloy boy. New York City, we're fine. New York State, we should be dry for the rest of tonight. Nothing to worry about. No severe weather for New York tonight. Florence, Alabama. Florence, Alabama. Not that radar. I want this radar. Quite a few rain showers. We are under a flood watch that continues from Monday morning through Monday evening. I gotta sneeze. Well, no, don't. Yeah. Excuse me. I had to sneeze. when hurricane season starts picking up, will you be tracking it? And what? Oh yeah, I plan to. Yes. We've already got 2 tropical systems in the Pacific. We got Amanda, and then we got a tropical depression that's about to make landfall into Mexico. Athens, Georgia. Athens, Georgia. We maybe a few rain showers tonight. Nothing severe though. And no flooding potential really for you guys.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Montana.
New severe thunderstorm warning for Montana. Looks like it's probably this one. Yes, it is. No, it's not that one. Not that one. Is it this one? Nope, not that one either. This. Is it this one? It might be this one. 404. No, not that one. 3:54 p.m. What time is? Oh, that would have been no. Which severe? What's the new warning? Nothing. Give me a second. That one, which would be which one is that? Oh, it's the middle one. It's the middle one. It's this one right here. Yes, here it is. New severe thunderstorm warnings for winds up to 60 miles an hour and ping pong ball size hail. This is for, Broadus. That's really the only community that I see on the map. Are there any other communities? Broadus, Olive, and Sonnet. If you're in any of those communities, severe thunderstorm warning for about another hour until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Time for winds up to 60 miles an hour and ping pong ball size hail. Valdez, Alaska. Yep, I gotcha. Valdez, Alaska. No weather alerts for you guys. Looks like you guys are going to be dry for the most part for the rest of tonight as well. Garbage. Let's see. What's going on with, do we still have that 20-1 in Missouri? No, we don't. We don't have any more 20 warnings. Looks like we got some strong storms about to move into Springfield, though. Alright, let me try one. I'm gonna end the stream real quick. I'm gonna restart it. Don't see that many people joining, so I'm gonna try and cheese it real quick. Give me a quick second. Internal service internal error. Alright, we're back. Hopefully this gets some more traction. I know, remember this happened one time back in, I think it was April or something. Well, I didn't get that many people, but... Because usually when I get to, do a live stream, it just floods with people, so... let's see how it goes. Alright, got quite a few people joining already. Already got 6 people. 7 people. Benton, Pennsylvania. Yep, Benton, Pennsylvania. Benton, Pennsylvania. We are going to be dry for the rest of tonight, and we'll be pretty dry for most of this week. 46350. Yep. 46350. LaPorte, Indiana. LaPorte, Indiana. You guys are gonna be seeing some rain tonight. Nothing severe though for you guys to worry about. Mayfield, Kentucky. Mayfield, Kentucky. You guys, could maybe see some rain showers tonight. Nothing severe though that we need to worry about. You guys are fine. Winchester, Illinois. Winchester, Illinois.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Wyoming.
Winchester, Illinois, maybe just some rain showers tonight. Nothing severe that we need to worry about, though. And then we had a new severe thunderstorm warning for, I think that was Montana. Let me double check and see where that was. Yeah, that one. Oh, no, that was Wyoming. It's this warning right here in Wyoming. Severe thunderstorm warning for, Lightning Flat, Wyoming. If you're in Lightning Flat, Wyoming, severe thunderstorm warning for $half size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. What's the worst outcome of this storm in Montana and the Dakotas? Winds of 60 to 100 miles an hour tonight. That's what we're expecting. Did I miss anybody? No, I didn't. Okay, cool. Let me just move my TikTok, thing over here. Then put OBS back on. I also have a alert set up so that whenever somebody chats in the YouTube chat, I get a sound. So there's that. But yeah, we still got 1, 2, 3, 4 severe thunderstorm warnings in Montana and Wyoming. Nothing yet in the Dakotas, but we do have a particularly dangerous severe thunderstorm watch. That is that means that these storms could be very intense, which is what we're expecting tonight. Winds up to 60 to 100 miles an hour are expected tonight from these potentially damaging storms. In addition, we also have a tornado watch for northwest Arkansas and southwest Missouri. Tornado watch continues for less than 2 more hours until 7 p.m. Central Time. We already had a few tornado warnings earlier today. But right now we're just dealing with quite a bit of rainfall. No tornado warnings in effect and no severe thunderstorm warnings except for one severe thunderstorm warning here to the northeast of Conway, Arkansas. Northeast of Little Rock, near south of Searcy. This is for Beebe, Griffithville, McRae, Gardner, and Higginson. If you're in any of those communities in Arkansas, you guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning for about another 13 more minutes until the bottom of the hour for 60-mile-per-hour winds and penny-sized hail. Smith River, California. Yep. Smith River, California. No weather alerts for you guys. Except small craft advisories off the coast, which that just means be careful if you're taking small vessels out there. Otherwise, you guys should be dry for the rest of tonight. Omaha, Nebraska. Yep, I gotcha. Omaha, Nebraska. Just some isolated scattered rain showers around you. Maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but nothing severe that we need to worry about tonight. Let's do a quick check of these storms here in northeast Wyoming, southeast Montana, headed towards the Dakotas. I appreciate you, bro. You're so reliable. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. What's the worst weather in the U.S. currently? It's this stuff right here, in southeast Montana. Bisawa, California. Yep. Bisawa, California, we do not have any weather alerts. Looks like you guys should be dry for the most part for tonight. You stopped checking the weather apps because of me? Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Does Montana get tornadoes? Yeah. Not as much as the plains, but every once in a while they do get some tornadoes. There is a low tornado threat today, but we're more concerned about the damaging wind threat tonight. Winds up to 60 to 100 miles an hour possible with this. It's not a line yet, but it's expected to form into a squall line and track all the way up to, through the Dakotas. These lives are my new weather app. Haha, nice. Alright, Maine, take care. I'm gonna head out. Alright, good to see you, 420. Have a good one. Let's see, is there anything going on in Canada? Not yet. I think we're still waiting for those storms to move through the northern plains. We do have a few strong storms up here in north-central Manitoba. I do have a severe thunderstorm warning there for Fairford, Manitoba. That is also a squall watch for the lake. Severe thunderstorm warning there for storms capable of producing up to quarter-size hail and very heavy rainfall. What website or app do you use for the weather map? I use Radar Omega. Radar Omega is what I use to check the radar. I would use Weatherfront, but they don't really have Canadian weather alerts, which is why I'm sticking with Radar Omega. Just a few strong storms. I mean, Environment Canada says that these storms are capable of producing quarter-size hail. But I mean, it doesn't look too impressive on radar. Geneva, Illinois. Yep, I gotcha. Geneva, Illinois. Just some light to moderate rain showers. Maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but no severe weather for you guys tonight. Hey, buddy Bobby. Nice name, by the way. Thanks for joining. Let's see. What's going on in Springfield? Strong storm. Looks like this storm is capable of producing winds up to 55 miles an hour and pea-size hail. Moving, let's see, what direction is that moving? Close to Springfield. And then tornado watch also remains in effect for Springfield until 7 p.m. Central Time. And then this severe thunderstorm warning is about to expire in less than 10 minutes south of Searcy, Arkansas, capable of producing winds up to 60 miles an hour and penny-sized hail. Meade, Kansas this week. Yep, sure thing. Nope, that's my live stream. Meade, Kansas for this week. For this week, it's going to be hot. Temperatures are going to be in the 90s, a few hundreds on Tuesday and Wednesday. That's your level 3 out of 4 for the extreme heat risk, which I talked a little bit about in my video this afternoon. But temperatures are going to be in the 90s, except those 2 days when they'll be in the hundreds. You're going to be dry. It's going to be a dry but humid heat until later this week. Is it possible? Can you check the development of hurricanes in the Gulf? Yes, I can. National Hurricane Center. They have no tropical cyclone activity expected within the next 7 days. This is kind of what I'm going off of. I don't really like to go off the models because they like to throw off phantom storms or makeup storms past 7 days. So, yeah, nothing to worry about within the next 7 days there in the Gulf. Excuse me. Man, why am I tired? Why am I tired? Just yawning. How are these storms here doing? They're not yet into a line, but they're starting. They're just isolated cells right now. Maybe within another hour they'll congeal into a line. That's what is expected to happen later tonight. I wonder if the WAPS model is running. So WAPS model running the Warn on Forecast system. Access real-time data. Let's go to VLAN. Excuse me. Yeah, it is running. Northern Plains, yep. Let's do the one before that. Composite reflectivity. Here we go. They have these, forming into a line probably within the next hour or two. Yeah, probably give it about another hour or two, and then that's when the damage and wind threat's gonna increase. Was there a tornado warning in London, Ontario? I don't think so. Let me double check. No, I don't think there was a tornado warning today. Yeah, you guys have been dry for pretty much the entire day. No tornado warning, and you'll be dry for the rest of tonight as well. But now we're kind of just in the calm before the storm, I guess, if you will. And of course the Bowman radar has to be down there in North Dakota, so we gotta use the Rapid City radar. Storms are slowly moving off towards the north and east. This severe thunderstorm warning will expire in 21 more minutes. Looks like the storm is starting to move, out of there. out of the warning. We'll see what the Weather Service decides to do after that. Because a week ago, there was a tornado warning. Was there really? Yikes. I know there were 3 tornadoes in Manitoba last week. We were tracking them in southern Manitoba, and they've been rated to be EF0 tornadoes. 3 EF0 tornadoes last week in Manitoba. We'll see if we get any more tornadoes tonight in Manitoba. Probably not. It's probably going to be more of a damage and wind threat, but there is a tornado watch for southwest Manitoba and southeast Saskatchewan. Yeah, it was pretty crazy when it happened, too. Man, excuse me. Why am I tired? I got great sleep last night. Just checking something on the side here real quick. Nothing going on. Nope. Oh, somebody went to my wheel, though, from, almost a month ago. Chattanooga, Tennessee. Alright, let's see what's going on in Chattanooga. Chattanooga, Tennessee, got quite a bit of rain showers. Flood watch is in effect, from Monday morning to Monday evening. We've also got... Nah, I know, the TikTok algorithm's not treating them live right. I'm trying to mess things up. I might have to restart it again. I'm not sure what's going on with the algorithm, but we'll see. But for Chattanooga, just some rain showers throughout tonight and tomorrow. Spirit Lake, Iowa, please. Yep, I gotcha.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Montana.
SPIRI. Spirit Lake, Iowa. No severe weather threat for you guys. You might see an isolated shower or thunderstorm though, but nothing severe for you guys. Can you change in Ukraine, Kyiv, aka the capital? What do you mean? Like, change my location? I might have to do, maybe I might do that, we'll see. Could I do that from my live stream? From TikTok Live? I don't think so. No, you meant check. Oh, you meant check. Gotcha. Oops, wrong button. Check it, yes. See, I have it, here somewhere. There we go. And then I'll do Cedar Falls, Iowa for tomorrow, for Monday. Yep, and then I'll do Cedar Falls in a minute. Ukraine, the capital, Kyiv. Looks like you might see a few rain, yeah, tomorrow's the 8th. Might see a few rain showers, throughout the day, overnight. Let's see. This makes no sense. Because there's a, oh, they have the night, then the day. Like, usually it's the other way around. Usually you have the day, then the night. But yeah, you guys, could just see a few rain showers, forecasted throughout the day on Monday and Tuesday, but then you should be dry, maybe until Saturday. And then Cedar Falls, Iowa. Yep, I gotcha. Cedar Falls, Iowa. Is that the right one? This one. Let me double check. Are there any weather alerts for you in Kyiv? Meteorological warnings. No, there isn't. There's, warnings, along the eastern half of the country. These are for thunderstorms. Looks like you could see some thunderstorms, tomorrow in eastern Ukraine. Yep, I'll do Mexico in a second for you, Jaden. Somebody asked for, Cedar Falls, Iowa for tomorrow. You're gonna see highs in the low 80s. Dew points are gonna be in the 70s, though, so it's gonna feel quite warm and muggy. Good chance of rain as well. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder, too. Ruiz, Nayart, Mexico. Yep, let me see where that is. Ruiz, Nayart, Mexico. That is, Western Mexico. Let me pull up the Mexican Weather Service. Can delete that. Mexican Weather Service. You're gonna see quite a bit of heavy rain to your south. As far as today go, as far as for right now, just go, no warnings in effect for you guys. I think all the rain's gonna be to your south. Let me just double check real quick. Yeah, all the rain's gonna be to your south, for most of this week. So, maybe just a few breezy winds, but, rain should be to your south, especially tonight and tomorrow. Did we have a new warning that came out that I missed? Let me double check. That was Montana, I think. Where is that? Is Fort Worth okay for a bit? Yep, you guys are good in Fort Worth. No severe weather to worry about. In fact, you guys might be dry for the rest of tonight. We had a new severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montana. Southeastern Montana for south of Ekalaka. Severe thunderstorm warning for, looks like a pretty rural part too. Let's see if any communities show up. Ekalaka, Bell Tower, and Mill Iron. If you're in any of those communities there in Montana, severe thunderstorm warning for ping pong ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds, for the next hour until 5:30 p.m. Central Time. Oh, 7 views on YouTube already, nice. What else is going on? Just some strong storms moving into Springfield. They canceled that severe thunderstorm warning there in Arkansas. Flood watches continue for northeast Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas, and southwest Missouri. And then we still have our PDS severe thunderstorm watch. For Montana, North and South Dakota. Winnipeg, Manitoba. Yep, Winnipeg, Manitoba. No severe weather really expected for you guys tonight. You guys are under a heat warning, though. Temperatures are once again forecast to reach between 32 and 34 degrees on Sunday over southeast Manitoba, with the humidex value in the high 30s by mid-afternoon. Yeah, it's hot out there in, Winnipeg. But the most of the severe weather should be off towards your west. Let's see, what are these storms doing here? Let's look at the virtually integrated liquid. Are these hail producers? Kind of. Especially the ones down to the south, but they're probably more damaging wind producers. Maybe some weak areas of rotation too, but damaging winds are probably going to be the primary threat with these storms. Maybe some hail. Especially this one down to the south here, ping pong ball size hail. Yeah, some of these storms, actually all of them are capable of producing up to ping pong ball size hail. The wind threat hasn't materialized yet. That's expected to materialize later tonight. Let's see, what else is going on? How are these floods going on here in North Alabama? We've still got quite a bit of rain for Huntsville. We got a flash flood emergency for areas to the north of Huntsville. They got quite a bit of rainfall, and they saw quite a bit of flooding already today, and they got quite a bit more rainfall left to go tonight. Flash flood warning remains in effect for another half an hour and an hour and 27 more minutes. The flash flood emergency goes until the top of the hour. The flash flood warning around it goes until another hour and a half. Rockford, Illinois, and then Richmond, Indiana. Yep, I got you guys. Rockford, Illinois. You guys might just see a few showers, maybe rumble thunder or two tonight. Got a few flood watches around you to your west and south, but no weather alerts for Rockford, Illinois. Richmond, Indiana. And then I'll do Tanner, Alabama. Just give me a second. Richmond, Indiana. No weather alerts for you guys. Just a few scattered showers and thunderstorms around you, but nothing severe. Tanner, Alabama. I know that's near Huntsville. Tanner, Alabama. Yeah, you guys are outside of the flash flood warnings. Just some light to moderate rain showers. Flood watch continues though from Monday morning through Monday evening. So yep, got some more rain coming tomorrow. Pulaski County, Kentucky. Yep. Pulaski. Pulaski County, Kentucky. You guys are dry for right now. Might see a few showers, maybe rumble thunder or two tonight, but nothing severe for you guys. No severe weather expected for you guys. Let's see. Is anybody else live by chance? Ooh, I don't know. Went to my post. Nice name. Ah, Ryan's not live yet. He'll probably be live later tonight. Monaco. Yep, let me just go to Media France, because they cover Monaco. Where is it? Here it is. France, there, and then Monaco. Let's see, in the weather alerts are vigilance. Nope, no weather alerts for Monaco. Just a few thunderstorm warnings, yellow warnings for, central France for Monday. The weather for the next few days. What's the weather forecast? Provisions? There we go. Let me translate this, because I do not know how to speak French. In hindsight, I should have taken Spanish in high school, because there's a few bilingual jobs that I could apply for, but, oh well, too late now. Monaco, for Monday, you're gonna see, mostly sunny skies. Tuesday, you guys are gonna see a mix of sun and clouds. No rain for you guys, though, within the next few days. You notice that your lives pick up at like 12 to 1 a.m. Yeah, that's what I've noticed too sometimes. They pick up, in the evening hours. And, well, but yesterday I started at like 2 p.m. and it picked up and it got crazy at like 5 p.m. So, I don't know, maybe it's because the weather's a little bit quiet and people don't have weather questions. I don't know. If it doesn't pick up at 7 o'clock, then I'll just restart the stream again and see if that helps with the algorithm. Are there any tornadoes right now? Nope. A few severe thunderstorms, but no tornadoes right now. Yeah, that's probably why. Yeah, if it doesn't pick up before 7, then I'll just restart it again at 7 o'clock. We'll see what happens. Possibly church and Sunday. Not sure, but it'll pick up. Yeah, maybe. Could be it. I have a feeling it's probably the algorithm, too. Let me see. Let me do some searching here real quick while we got time. Does the TikTok not, promote your live stream? I can't spell. Yes, the TikTok, algorithm may stop promoting your live stream if it fails to generate immediate engagement. What do you mean? My TikTok live streams have been pretty engagement. Incorrect formatting, using horizontal layouts. Okay, I knew that. This is a vertical layout. Busy overlays, I don't think it's busy. Or non-native Twitch style or T-style setups can negatively impact the algorithm and because they fail to retain mobile users. I've been consistent. Interesting. We'll see. I'll probably just have to restart it at 7 o'clock again. Unless somehow, it picks up before then. That's okay, things are not that active right now. And I'm still live on YouTube as well. Do you have the forecast for McMurdo Station? Yes, let me see where that is. Where is that? MCMURD McMurdo. Oh, it's Antarctica. Let's see, because there's no, weather. Yeah, it's Antarctica, I found it. Weather forecast for... because I don't think there's an official weather forecasting agency for Antarctica, so it gets a little tricky. Let's go with crappy weather. negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. That's actually not that cold compared to what it usually is during the winter time. Negative 13 degrees, your 10-day forecast. It's going to be dry, but temperatures are going to be cold like usual. That's from Crappy Weather, by the way. I call them that because I'm, thinking you might walk there. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I'm sure you're there right now. No, I got beef with AccuWeather, though, because they didn't take me for an internship last year, and, I didn't hear back from them when I applied for jobs. So, that's that, but... Vermilion, South Dakota. Yes, I gotcha. Vermilion, South Dakota. You guys are too far to the east. No severe weather threat for you guys tonight. You'll be good. You might actually end up being dry for the rest of tonight as well. Do you work for anywhere, whether related or nope? Nope. Trying to find a job still. I was going to do that tonight, but then looks like I'll be live for most of tonight, so I guess I'll do that tomorrow morning. But yeah, still working for jobs, meteorology jobs. Been a little lazy with that too, because I've been busy focusing on the live streams. Looks like we have a new severe thunderstorm warning here for southeast Montana for golf ball size hail. I'll check your fish and Lucas zone in a minute. Let me check the severe thunderstorm warning here real quick. Severe thunderstorm warning here for southeast Montana along the corner. I'm not seeing any communities show up. Alzada, Avalon, and Capital.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Montana.
Yep, that's the new warning that that we're looking at here. Capable of producing up to golf ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. No, that's okay. I get that official Lucas storm zone. I was just checking this in real quick, then I can get to you. Southeast Wisconsin for Thursday. Let's see. Storm prediction. That's National Hurricane Center. Storm prediction center. Thursday. That's day 5. Yes, Southeast Wisconsin. There's a chance of severe weather. Concentrated area potentially significant severe weather is expected Wednesday afternoon and evening, centered across portions of Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa. Cold front moving from the eastern coast, the trail extension boundary expected, blah, blah, blah. There's a potential for, that's Wednesday. For Thursday, there's a chance for some severe weather. We'll have to see what happens. It's too early to say exactly what and when, other than there's a chance for some severe weather on Thursday. But yeah, don't be scared. Just be prepared. And I'm sure I'll be live if something major happens too. Richmond, Wisconsin, please, tonight. Yep, you got it. Richmond, Wisconsin. That's Richmond Center. There we go. Richmond, Wisconsin. Oh, same area. No severe weather for you guys tonight. You might see an isolated rain shower, but you should be dry. Well, you might see a few rain showers tonight. I got a few rain showers off to your west. But no severe weather for you guys. And no thunderstorms were expected for you guys either. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh, we're good. No severe weather threat for you guys. The concert can be held tonight. I heard about the concert that was canceled last night. That was your tricky forecast. There was a threat for severe weather, but those storms ended up moving to the south of Pittsburgh. So, but tonight, Pittsburgh's going to be good. No severe weather to worry about. What about tomorrow for Richmond, Wisconsin? Yep, give me a quick second. And then we'll do Caribou, Maine. Richmond, Wisconsin for tomorrow. You'll see a high temperature of 80 and the low of 64. Should be... Actually, no, you'll see a good chance of rain. It's going to be a pretty wet day tomorrow. And, there is a marginal risk for excessive rainfall, flash flooding, level 1 out of 4 for flash flooding for you guys tomorrow. Caribou, Missouri. Canlou. I can't read. Canlou, Missouri. Yep, I got you. Canlou. Canlou, Missouri. No severe weather expected for you guys tonight. You're too far to the east. But you'll probably see a few rain showers tonight. Is there rain tomorrow for Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania? I don't think so. Let me double check. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Nope. You guys are gonna be dry tomorrow. You'll see some rain returning on Tuesday and Wednesday. Gilderland, New York. Yep. Gilderland, New York. No weather alerts for you guys. Maybe an isolated shower tonight, but you should be dry for the most part. South Bend, Indiana. No severe weather threat for you guys. Just a few rain showers tonight and tomorrow. Croatia. Yep, I can check Croatia for you. Did I add Croatia on here? Yeah, I did. Croatia, let's see, what are the warnings right now? Nothing for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm not seeing any warning. Nope, no warnings for Croatia. Wednesday, there's no warnings. Nope, I'm not seeing any weather warnings for you guys in Croatia. Well, except for the Velvet Channel. That's hard to see, but the Velvet Channel, there's a wind warning, but I think that's out to sea, so not too much of a concern. 3-day forecast, though. Let's see what that looks like for you guys. Temperatures are going to be in the teens to maybe low 20s, throughout the next few days. Rain chances, though... Oh, that's the... I don't like that. Let's see. Forecast for Sunday. Is there a Monday forecast? There we go. Your forecast for Monday, maybe just a few thunderstorms on the western half of the country, and then most, mix of sun and clouds on the eastern half of the country. Shawnee, Kansas. Yep, I gotcha. Do you play Twisted? I did one time, a few days ago. I gotta play that again. Shawnee, Kansas, just some rain showers tonight. Maybe a rumble or thunder or two, but nothing severe for you guys. Tampa, Florida. Tampa, I think we're gonna be dry. Yeah, we'll be dry for the rest of tonight.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for North Dakota.
New severe thunderstorm warning for North Dakota. Let's see where that is. That is, near Beach, North Dakota. Severe thunderstorm warning to your south for golf ball size hail for, Sentinel Butte and, Gover. Severe thunderstorm warning for about another hour and 13 more minutes until, let's see, 7, 8, 6 o'clock Central Time, or Mountain Time, for golf ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. Let's see, Margrave, Georgia. Yep. Georgia. Did I spell that right? Margrave, Georgia. Because it's not showing up. I see Margrave Lane. Margrave Drive. Could you do a zip code on maybe, Caterpillar 06? Oh, Margrave Lane. And nope, that's not the right one. Savannah, Georgia. Near Savannah. You guys are gonna be dry for the rest of tonight, and I think you guys should be dry for most of this week. And that's alright. It happens, Caterpillar. Rockford, Illinois. Probably just a few rain showers tonight. Maybe a rumble or thunder or two, but nothing severe for you guys that we need to worry about. Tampa, Florida. Do I have any of the beach, conditions there for Tampa? No, I do not. Thought I did, but I don't. What about the rip current threat? Rip current maps. For the rest of today for Tampa, there is a, no risk of rip currents for tomorrow, Monday, no risk of rip currents too. Do you know what's the biggest size of hail? I believe it was 8 inches in diameter. It weighed almost 2 pounds. And it was back in 2024 in South Dakota, I think it was. But yeah, 8-inch size hail, that's about like this big. Like, that's crazy. What are storms doing in Montana and North Dakota? They're still isolated supercells right now. Not yet into a line of severe storms. Yeah. Do you know what it's like for the week in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania? Yep. That's the other good thing too, with only 7 people watching. I can answer all of you guys' questions. I don't have to pick and choose. For Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, it's going to be hot after these next few days. Temperatures are going to be around 90 for the next few days, which puts your extreme heat risk on a level 2 out of 4. Going to see a few rain chances throughout this week. Best chance of rain is going to be Wednesday and Friday, but there's also the chance of rain on Thursday and Tuesday. Saturday should be dry for the most part, but that can change. Yeah, it's just going to be hot. That's really going to be the big weather story, though, is the heat. Are we know the worst tornado? No. The worst tornado was probably as far as we know in recorded history, the tri-state tornado because of all the because that was the deadliest tornado. I guess it really depends on what you mean by the worst tornado. If you mean by the most impactful, the most people hurt, then yeah, tri-state.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for North Dakota.
New severe thunderstorm warning for North Dakota. Alright, that's this one up here. New severe thunderstorm warning south of Rockford City for winds up to 60 miles an hour and golf ball size hail. Any communities in the path? Not really seeing any. Theodore Roosevelt National Park, North Unit, and Grassy Butte. If you're in any of those communities, severe thunderstorm warning for 54 more minutes until 7:45, 5:45 Central Time. For golf ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. Was it the biggest? Alwina was the biggest tornado. Yes. Vancouver. Vancouver. We're going to be dry for the rest of tonight. No rain, no weather alerts for you guys. Do you have North Korea? Alright, why not? We got the time. Let's see if they do have a weather website. I think they do because they're part of the WMO, but let's see. For ANC, Agency for North. Yeah, North Korea has its own national weather service. Oh, you can't see it though. Nope. It's not public information though. So nope, we can't see it. We just have to go off with the models. We don't have access to the North Korean weather's forecast, so sorry about that. But yeah, I figured they did because they joined because they're part of the World Meteorological Organization. Let's see. Don't they have to share their weather data because they are a part of the WMO? Okay. National Gaps observation. I mean, okay. I mean, they do share their observations because they have to, because they're part of the WMO, but how accurate they are, we'll see. Any storms in Vancouver tomorrow on Monday? Let's see. Pivotal weather. Vancouver, let's go to, the HRDPS. HRDPS. Well, yeah, I said it right the first time. Regional Canada. Northwest US. Vancouver's right there. Any storms for you? Maybe just some rain showers on Tuesday, but no, you should be dry for the rest of tonight and Monday. Do you know why there's so much rain in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania? Let's see. It's probably just going to be your afternoon, summertime showers and thunderstorms, but we got a few weather systems that'll be moving to your north, so that's why cold front's going to be moving through on Thursday and Friday, which is going to cool things down. So yeah. What's Staples, Minnesota look like tonight and tomorrow? Let's see. Where is Staples, Minnesota? Staples, Minnesota. 5 minutes, I will start the stream. Staples, Minnesota. Still under a special weather statement for reduced air quality throughout the night tonight. Maybe an isolated rain shower throughout tonight. For tomorrow. For tomorrow, yep, just some isolated and scattered rain showers throughout tonight and tomorrow. Do you have a favorite storm chaser? Reed Timmer. The Rio Tornado Wrangler. If you ever saw the movie, Twisters, the Tornado Wrangler is based off of Reed Timmer. But yeah, gotta love Reed. He is something else. We still have severe thunderstorm warnings for east Montana and western North Dakota. Do you have a favorite tornado intercept vehicle? I don't know. I keep losing track of his vehicles because it seems like every time he drives a new one. Is it the Dominator 3? Is that the one that's like a tank? Because that's probably my favorite. But I know he also rents cars just to chase sometimes too, so. If it's just Wayne White, well, there could be a chance for Rumble of Thunder 2 for you guys in Staples, Minnesota, so that's why. But it's not going to be severe until Wednesday. But yeah, I mean, it's summer, so anytime it rains, there's a chance that it could storm as well. Let's see, yeah, probably I always start to stream at 7 o'clock. YouTube's still going on, though. I don't know, nobody ever watches her. Do you have a favorite tornado? Nah, no, not really. I never thought about it like that. Plainfield, Indiana. Yep, and then I'll check Hamilton, Ontario. Plainfield, Indiana. Maybe just a few, isolated showers or thunderstorms tonight. Nothing severe that we need to worry about, though. Hamilton, Ontario for this week. Let's see. M-I-L-T-O-N. Hamilton, Ontario. Go. For this week, you're going to see sunny skies tomorrow, then some rain on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Although after Tuesday, it's just going to be a chance of rain showers. So, kind of your typical summertime rain showers. So it might rain, it might not. Temperatures are going to be quite warm though, especially on Wednesday and Thursday, around 30 to 32 degrees. Selkirk, Manitoba. Selkirk, Manitoba. You guys are under a heat warning. This is a yellow warning, which means it is a tier 1 out of 3 for temperatures that are once again forecast to reach between 32 to 34 degrees on Sunday over southeast Manitoba. Humidex values may be as high as by the mid-30s in the afternoon. Do you know if there are any fires near Thunder Bay, Ontario? I'll check that in a minute. Regina, Saskatchewan, though. Let me check that. You guys are under a severe thunderstorm watch. Severe thunderstorms are possible this evening. Thunder Bay, Ontario. Let me see. Do I have a map of Canadian wildfires? Let's see. Does watch duty go to Canada?
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for South Dakota.
Bummer. No, they don't. New severe thunderstorm warning for South Dakota. I'll do that in a minute. Let me check the Canadian wildfires. And then we'll check that severe thunderstorm warning, then we'll be done. Thunder Bay, Ontario is... they're off to your west. Like, probably like a good 100 kilometers off to your west. Near Hunter Island. Barrie, let's check that severe thunderstorm warning, then I'll do Barrie, Ontario, and then we'll end the stream, and then we'll restart it. Barrie, Ontario, no weather alerts in effect for you guys. No rain showing up on the radar. You guys are going to be dry for the rest of tonight. And then new severe thunderstorm warning for South Dakota. Extension of this one here in Montana. For golf ball size here in 70-mile-per-hour winds. That is a considerable severe thunderstorm warning. Level 2 out of 3 on the severe thunderstorm warning scale. And it's going to impact, Hardin, Gustave, East Shore Pines, West Shore Pines, and Antelope Butte. Alright, I'll be right back in probably about 5 to 10 more minutes, just to restart the stream. Hopefully we can get some more, people with the algorithm then. I'm still up on YouTube though. I might just restart on YouTube. We'll see. Got 1,000 likes though. Not bad. I'll be right back on YouTube. I'm not... Actually, you know what? Do I end the stream? Yeah, I think I might end the stream.